All right. I am looking at your calendar. So we have one more day of notes on Monday, and then a review day Tuesday, and a test on Wednesday after you get back, which is pretty good timing, I think, for the year. So not too shabby. So today we are looking at mixed proofs. So using all the things that we know, side, 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 angle, side, angle, side, angle, 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 side, and HL. Oh my. We want to be able to compare the triangles to determine whether they can be proven congruent, if possible. If possible. Is it always going to be possible?
No.
No, it's not. So please, you have to actually understand why. Paying attention to markings and other common knowledge things like reflexive sides and maybe vertical angles. So, number one. They've marked a pair of angles congruent. They've marked another pair of angles congruent. What else do we know in this triangle, in these two triangles? Well, that's actually true, but I don't need to know that. Reflexive. There's a reflexive side here. And so when we look at this triangle, we have a pair of angles, we have a pair of sides, and we have a pair of angles that are congruent. So are these triangles congruent? Yes, by? Angle, side, angle. So this is why marking your picture can be super duper helpful. Number two, we have a pair of congruent sides on top and bottom. We have a pair of congruent left and right sides. What else do we know? Reflexive. So how are these triangles congruent? Side, side, side. Three sets of sides. Pair of sides, another pair of sides, and a third pair of sides. Side, side, side. Number three. We have a pair of angles that is being marked congruent. We have another pair of angles that is being marked congruent. And we have sides marked congruent. AAS, is that one of our theorems? Yes, it is. All right. Number four, what kind of triangles did they give us?
Right triangles.
Right triangles. Very important here, right triangles. HL, again, because reflexive side. Yeah, it's opposite the right angles, and so that's the hypotenuse that happens to be the reflexive side. And we have another pair of legs. So this is HL, and they gave us the right triangles. Really important. We have to know that they're right triangles. Number five, we have a pair of sides congruent. We have another pair of sides congruent. What else do we know? Vertical angles are congruent. So we have this little bow tie figure. So we have angles. Oh.
Side angle. Or wait, no.
Oh, wait, no.
SAS.
No, it is not SAS. The angle would have to be between the two sides. It'd have to be over here. Okay? So really important, is this one of our theorems?
No.
No, it is not. Remember, that's a bad word. That can't possibly be one of our triangle theorems. Okay? So that doesn't work. Number six here, we have a pair of angles. They have marked congruent. We have a pair of sides. They have marked congruent, and they gave us parallel lines. So let's look here. I have a parallel line and a parallel line. And a transversal on the side here. So I'm highlighting that transversal in hopes that it helps you see it a little better. So tell me about right here. These two angles are corresponding. If parallel, corresponding angles are congruent. And that's something we don't do very often. So that is another pair of angles. So are the triangles congruent? Yes, by? Angle, side, angle. And this is why I write the little letters there, because it's really helpful. Angle, side, angle, angle, side, angle. Hi.
Do you know how many kids?
In here, 20.
Sorry.
16? I don't know. Somewhere under 20.
There's 20.
Okay, perfect.
20, you need.
Oh, should be good. Okay, thank you. 16, yeah, okay. All right, I'll bring the extras. All right, cool. Number 7. We have a pair of angles congruent. We have a pair of sides congruent. What else do we know? Reflexive side, another side. So are the triangles congruent?
Side angle side.
Side, angle, side. Yes, they are congruent by side, angle, side.
Wait, there's like a line to the triangle. Like, can we always say that it's reflexive or like?
If there's a segment that is part of both triangles, then yeah, it's reflexive. Number 8. Side. Yeah, we have another reflexive side here. So we got a pair of sides, another pair of sides, and that third reflexive side. Side. Number 9, what do we have?
HL.
Right triangles, very important, which means across we have the hypotenuse is congruent, and then the legs, a pair of legs congruent. So HL, very good. Number 10. We have some angles that are congruent. We have a pair of sides congruent. What else do we know?
Vertical angles are congruent.
Vertical angles are congruent. So there's another pair of angles. So are these pair of angles congruent?
Angle, side.
Is that one of our theorems?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Angle, side. All right. Number 11, we have a pair of angles congruent. What else do we know?
Reflexive.
We have a reflexive side congruent. What else do we know? A whole lot of nothing. These are not congruent. We can assume nothing. They didn't give us any extra information. They're not necessarily congruent. Okay. All right, we have a pair of sides congruent. We have another pair of sides congruent, and we've been given some parallel lines again. Alternate interior angle. So parallel line. So do I want this transversal from the other one? Yeah, right here is a good one. So if I take that transversal, parallel line, transversal, parallel line, then we get this angle here and this angle right here. So those are alternate interior angles are congruent if parallel lines. So that's a pair of angles, which means our triangles are congruent by side, angle, side. Now, we also have vertical angles, but without the parallel line knowledge, if I had vertical angles, is that enough to make my triangles congruent in this case?
Yeah.
Well, but no, if I don't have parallel lines.
Oh.
If we didn't have parallel lines, so I have side and side congruent, and then this angle, is that enough to make those congruent?
Yeah.
Angle, side, side? Angle, side, side is one of our theorems? Oh, no. No. Okay. So vertical angles wasn't enough. We needed those parallel lines. So you do have to be really careful. Today you are doing more proofs today, just like yesterday's. So keep those notes handy from yesterday. I'm sure more stuff will come up. It was 9 minutes. It was a little more than 6 minutes.